In this session, let us learn about HTML iframes. HTML iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. The HTML iframe tag specifies an inline frame. An inline frame is used to embed another document with the current HTML document. See here syntax: iframe src is equal URL title description iframe. Tip: it is good practice to always include a title attribute for the iframe. It is used by screen readers to read out what the content of the iframe is. Here is a code and example. Use the height iframe set height and width. Use the height and width attributes to specify the size of the iframe. The height and width are specified in pixels by default. See here, you can use the height and width attributes to specify the size of the iframe. src get HTML height 200 width 300 pixels. Title iframe example. See, by writing and executing this code, the iframe was formed. You can add the style attribute and use the CSS height and width properties. See, you can also use height and width properties iframe example. See, by writing and executing this code, you can also use the CSS height and width properties to specify the size of the iframe. See, you can also give that properties. Iframe remove the border. By default, an iframe has a border around it. To remove the border and style attribute and use the CSS border property. See here, now we are remove the iframe property, get the HTML border none. Here we are giving none here. So the border was disappeared. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this. With CSS, you can also change the size, style and color of the iframe borders. You can also change the colors also. See here, iframe src get the HTML style border 2 pixels solid orange. Title iframe example. See here, a border was formed here. By writing this code, the result returns this. Iframe target for a link. An iframe can be used as a target frame for a link. The target attribute of the link must refer to the name attributes of the iframe. See here, we are targeting. See, here is Ponnuri Gopie Krishna.in index HTML target iframe A. See here, when the target attribute of link matches the name of an item iframe, the link will open in the iframe. See, by writing and executing this code, and the result was this. When we click Ponnuri Gopie Krishna.in, the website was opened in the same iframe. Chapter summary. The HTML iframe tag specifies an inline frame. The src attribute defines the URL of the page to embed. Always include a title attribute for screen readers. The height and width attribute specifies the size of the iframe. Use border none to remove the border around the iframe. See here, HTML iframe tags. Iframe defines an inline frame. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 39 iframe. In next video, let us learn about another topic, JavaScript.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.